Hey guys, we received this TheraICE, the head relief cap. This one is for test and try, and the soothing head ice pack, or the mask, or the face cold compress, or the cooling gel head wrap, or any way you want to use this one. So let me just open this pack and show it to you. So this one is a really nice, thick and soft material, as you can see, very flexible, and also like the thickness of the gel and the things. So as I see, like the quality is really good and it's very handy and flexible. You can put it in a refrigerator, and after some time, you can just try. You can put it; it will cover the whole head and the eyes. So it's really comfortable and effective. You can also see like the coverage here. So I will say this is a pretty nice with a really thick gel and very nice gel with the refrigeration, and it's pretty good to have.